I want to explain now the difference between three very important, what we call singular pronouns in Māori. Okay, these three singular pronouns are au or aho, which means I or me, as in ko rāpata au. Okay, au or aho. Koe, which means you, singular, and ia, which means he or she. Okay, there's no gender discrepancy in te reo between male and female. You only know by the context of the sentence. For example, ko uenuku au, I am uenuku. Ko hine rangi koe, you are hine rangi. Ko rāwinia ia, she is rāwinia. So how do I know rāwinia is a female? Because rāwinia is a woman's name. Ka pai. Let's scroll down now. And I want to teach you how to say, introduce you to where you are from. For example, we start off with the article no, as in no waikare moana nā hau. No, which means I am from waikare moana. No rotorua koe, you are from rotorua. No taupō ia, he or she is from taupō. Lastly, I want to teach you these very important, what we call singular possessives, which is taku, as in my name. Ko uenuku taku ingoa. Tō, which means yours, as in ko hinerangi tō ingoa. And tana, which means his or her, as in ko rāwinia tana ingoa.